How to change your country in Shein website. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your country in Shein website. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch any web browser that you prefer. Search for Shein.com, and once you land into its official website, log into your account. And once in the homepage, tap on the Me icon from the bottom right corner of this screen. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of this screen. This will take you to the settings page. Once you're in the settings, in order to change your country or region, you need to adjust your language and currency. So go ahead and ensure that the language and currency match your preference or the country that you'd like to set, and the app will update to reflect your new settings. So changing your country or region ensures that you see the products available for shipping to your location, accurate pricing in your local currency, and relevant promotions. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.